With the rise of technology and how it makes the lives of humans easier, more and more things are becoming digitized. The problem with digitization is that the samples are not as accurate as the digital signals, and in turn, there is a loss of information. The installation Lost in Transition's goal is to showcase this idea, where a physical body is translated into digital as an effect of the user's movements within the given space. The experience that we wish the user to bring with them is to realize their power to affect their surroundings and have an understanding of how digitization works. We came to this idea because our entire group wanted to work with water in an environment and have a tangible interface involved in our installation. The concept is that once the water movements that are controlled by the user's position travel across the physical pool of water, the waves transition into the digital world in the form of pixelated graphics projected on screen.
My first impression, it was a really neat project. The coolest part of the project for me was the actual projection on the wall. That was really neat because it was so dynamic, which was my favorite part of the project. Yeah, I did notice that it was me that was controlling where the things would drop in. It's pretty simple because not only could you hear it, you could hear the motors going. I thought that it was a really interesting way of manipulating water, hanging things from the ceiling. It was definitely something that I never would have really thought of doing.
And once I had figured out how to control the project, I found that it was a really cool project. I really liked the fact that there really was a strong physical component to the project. Like, I think it's really easy to go with video and like just projecting or to just do physical stuff, but I liked that there was a combination of both.
Our setup consists of 2 laptops connected to 2 Arduino boards, which are in turn connected to 9 servo motors. We also have a webcam to detect the user's position and movements. We take the webcam data and process it to tell the servo motors when to activate. 3 of the motors control the front fins, which create a wave effect in the water, and the other 6 dip up and down to create a ripple effect.
We aim to produce an interactive installation that explored the relationship between analog and digital. We believe that we were successful in conveying this message in our project with the transition from the physical wave of water to the on-screen digital representation.